In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the CPR indicator in Tradingview, the easiest way step by step. Whether you're new to trading or just new to Tradingview, this guide is designed to be straightforward and easy to follow, so let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to Tradingview's website. If you already have an account, now's the time to log in. But if you're using the platform for the first time, you'll need to create an account to fully utilize the features we'll be discussing today. Once you're on the platform, head over to the chart section. You can do this by simply selecting a ticker symbol you want to analyze. It really doesn't matter which one right now if you're just learning the ropes, but if you have a specific ticker in mind, go ahead and bring it up on the screen. With your chart pulled up, you'll notice an indicators button at the top of the screen. Think of this button as your gateway to a whole host of tools that can help enhance your trading analysis. It's here that we'll find the central pivot range or CPR indicator. Go ahead and click that button. A search bar will pop up after you select the Indicators button. This is where you can enter the name of any indicator you're looking for. In this case, type CPR. A list of options will appear below it based on your entry, simplifying the process of locating the exact tool you're searching for. Once the results appear, scroll through the list until you find the CPR indicator you want to apply. It's usually a good idea to take a quick look at each option, as some might have variations or additional settings based on different users or developers. Select the CPR indicator that aligns with what you're looking for. After you click to choose your desired indicator, you'll see it applied directly to your chart. It may adjust the display slightly, highlighting the CPR levels on the price chart. These bands are crucial for traders as they represent potential support and resistance zones. With these levels highlighted, you can now study price action with an added layer of insight. And there you have it, our concise guide to finding and using the CPR indicator on Tradingview. Remember, the CPR is a valuable tool to help you gauge potential market trends and reversals by analyzing pivot points. It's simple to set up, yet powerful in its applications. Now that you've added this to your Tradingview arsenal, go ahead and explore its functionality more deeply to see how it might augment your trading strategies. Thank you for watching and happy trading.